Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Dell XPS 17 in its 9710 model Intel Core i7, upgrading memory today. At this moment I have a 16 gig memory. I'm going to make my laptop 32 gig. It's very easy and simple to upgrade your memory. This is the memory I'm going to use, DDR4 3200 MHz, and this is two of these 16 gig each. That's a 32 gig. I'll list the part number information under my description in case you want to upgrade it. So let's get started. Before starting, make sure that your laptop is powered off. We're going to flip it over. So we're going to use T5. We're going to open all these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that these are tiny screws. Don't lose them. Once we remove all these 8 screws, now we're going to pry it open from this end. As you can see, this area. So we're going to use this pry tool and we're going to put it right in here. Just slide through, just like this. See the gap up here. And we're going to go all the way around like this. Pry tool just like this. As you can see, all the tabs are keep opening. See? It pries open, just like that. So just be careful. So once it's open up, you keep in same place. After opening, the memory is right here under these flaps. One here and one on this side. One goes upside down and other one goes straight like this. Now this one is a 8 gig, it's a 16 gig, and I'm going to replace with 32 gig. Put 16 here and 16 here. So we're going to take out the memory. If you take a look, one clip on this side, another clip on this side. You just do it like this and the memory pops out. So this one will go straight. You hold it from the side. Don't touch the gold contact. So we're going to insert it in just like this and press it. Once you press it, this is fully seated. So now we're going to push it down and it will lock in. You have the snap. One is done. And the second one, same thing. You do it like this. If you get a screwdriver, you just have to push these just like this. And the memory opens up. And this one, upside down. So we have to turn it around. Just like this. Open the flap. And we're going to put it inside. As you insert it in, just like this, it's fully inserted, you press it down and it locks in. And that's how it's easy you upgrade your memory from 16 gig to 32 gig on your Dell XPS. And now everything, we're going to put it in a reverse order, put the lid back on, snap it, put the screws back in, and that's it. The only thing is left, we're going to put the cover back and we're going to put the screws back. So we're going to turn it on and you will see it's fully upgraded. I have also posted a video for my SSD upgrade, so please check it out, the other video. So we get the cover back, the cover right on top, just like this, and then you just have to press it. We're going to make sure that all sides are perfectly sealed, and now we're going to put the screws back in. After tightening all the screws, now we're going to make sure that we're going to turn it on, see the performance. We upgraded the memory and we started. This is the first message you're going to see. Alert, the amount of system memory has been changed, and we're going to continue. Do you hit the continue? Now it's starting. So it's all started. So it's working beautiful, and I'll show you the memory now. So you see the memory 32 gig and working all fine. So that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your Dell XPS 17 in to 32 gig. If you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.